Now, as you can see from the title of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a band of your headband wig. Okay, hey guys, the hair company that we'll be using today is Hurela or Hurela Hair. Not sure how exactly it is pronounced, but as you can see the box, they have their social media here on the front. When I open the box, this is what's inside. The wig is at the top. It also comes with two headbands, a yellow and a blue headband, as well as wig cap, and that's basically what's inside the box. This is all it says on the front of the bag. It doesn't give exactly how much inch we're working with or what type of wig we're working with, so I'll leave those down below in the description box. But off my head, I think it's a 10-inch actually. I think it's a 10-inch wig. This is how the wig came inside the packaging. Straight out the bag, I'm just going to test to see if there's any shedding. I'm not getting any. This is how inside the wig looks. It comes with 3 combs at the top and 1 at the back. Adjustable straps as well. And the headband for the wig. Now, as you can see from the title of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a band of your headband wig. Before I actually jump into that, I'm going to be showing you how you would wear this wig regular, for just anybody that pops on here and you are a beginner and you're not sure how to apply your headband wig. I'm just going to do a quick run through of that, and before I actually do that, I'm just going to fix up my edges, and I'm actually using a edge control, and this is a mega hair gel wax, as you can see, and my edge brush and comb. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with my hair wax and just fix up my edges. Okay, so now that's done, it's time to just throw on the wig. And to do the back, all you do is just spin it on, and that's pretty much it. Like, that's like all you have to do, and the wig is on. You can either decide to curl it over back or flatten it and just wear. I am going to just show you guys what it looks like with the headbands that came inside the package. So this is what the first one looks like with the first headband, and so I'm just going to remove this. You can actually wear it like this without a headband if you feel like, if you're that person that wants to wear it without an headband, like, you can go ahead and do that as well. Now I'm just going to show you what this one looks like. This is what this one looks like. So let's get to the order of business that you all came to see on this video. So I'm just going to remove back the hair, and I take off my cap, and then just get started. Part of the section of your hair that you want to hide the headband wig with. Yeah, my hair is currently going through transition because I usually perm it, but Since lately I'm feeling the natural look, so I'm going to grow out my hair back to its natural texture. So what you want to do is fold the wig, like fold the wig, the headband portion, as close to the roots of the hair as possible, and then you just put it in. And then you just close it up, pretty much what I showed you in the first portion of the video. And you just close it back. Okay, so you want to make sure that it is as close to your natural hair that you actually part out. Yeah, you guys actually seen that, right? Right here. It's actually close to my natural hair that I parted out. Now to make my hair blend in with this texture, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to basically flat iron my hair. So I went ahead and just put some more edge control on my entire roots because my hair is natural, so I'm trying to get the wig to look as flawless as possible. So to achieve that, I went ahead with some more edge control on my edges, and then I'm just going to tie it down with my head wrap. Well, not really tie it down, but just hold it down for probably like a minute or two so I can work on my edges. And we're done. And this is what the wig is looking like. It's gorgeous. Like, this wig is bomb. Shout out to Hurela Hair or Hurela Hair, whichever hair, Hurela. But I love the wig and the texture is great, and as you guys can see, it takes heat well too. So if you do want this wig, I am going to leave everything down below in the description box.